Hey everybody, this is kind of an unexpected unboxing video, but since it's been so cold here in Florida compared to what it usually is, I actually bought a heater. And I've been freezing, so we'll see how it goes. This was one of those like you see on TV type heaters. It's just a tiny one, 40 bucks though. So there's like an air conditioned version of this and a heater version of this, so we'll see how this goes. I want to do a quick unboxing video. This is Handy Heater, Pure Warmth, Ceramic Space Heater. 1,200 watts, powerful. Quiet operation at 3 speeds, cleans air as it heats, advanced ceramic technology. I don't know, but I'm going to get a more substantial one because sometimes we're just going to get more cooler days here, even in Florida. I want to get this going. It's better today with the cold, but I'm going to try this now. And I may get the air conditioned version of this eventually. I actually thought about buying the air conditioned version a while ago to do a test on. Sometimes it does get quite warm. 20% off your next purchase. Yeah, if you buy it online. Got little instructions. Let's see, this is basically the other safety features, important instructions. Basically tell you how to use it. You have care in cleaning. There's a filter here. It's supposed to help with clean the air, so now I'm going to probably do a review on this. I don't know if I will attach it to this or not. If I say it in the title when I put this up, then you know I did that. Man, I like it. If it cleans the air too, why not? Congratulations! They congratulated me. Never thought I would need a heater in Florida, but won't need it too often. But you smell that little plasticky smell. Here it is. It's definitely a bit smaller than I thought. I see the filter in there, I think. This probably just pops open. This must be the filter. Not very much of a filter. Basically has a little fan in there. Of course, you have a pretty long cord. Let me open this up and show you. I mean, I probably can't complain too much about the cold, even though it has gone below freezing here, which is very unusual. I mean, up north, pretty long cord, especially where I'm originally from. It's gotten really cold. Nothing else in the box. Let me make sure. Here's the instructions. I'll read it for you just in case. Place in flat, dry, even surface, and plug power cord outlet. Press the handy heater. Will default to high speed. To adjust fan speed, press that one symbol next to it. Choose high, medium, low. Mood light defaults to on. To adjust color, press it until you find the preferred color. I think, yeah, it has a light on top, so you could change that. That's cool. Color, or orange, green, blue, yellow, purple, teal, clear. And then cycle off. You can cycle. When done, press the turn off. Keep it in a cool dry to ready to use. Yeah, you have to have it on an even surface or the heating element will be disabled. It's a safety feature to prevent overheating and fires. And then find the back cover lock. This is if you want to clean it, and just pull it off like I showed you, and rinse, filter, and running water. Not much of a filter, but it'll help a little bit. Okay, this is an unboxing of it. Any comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye, ready to buy. Okay, here it is. And this is on high, so it's kind of loud. But yeah, that's nice and hot. And the light on top has been like cycling through different colors. So it's really, and the color changes here and it changes on top. Of course, it's not doing it now when I have it on. Let's see if I can change it. See? That's cool. It's blue, clear, and then blue again, off. But that is cool, and yeah, it's nice and high. Like I said, that's on our nice and hot. That's the high. There's medium and low. I didn't try the. I don't know how robust this is going to be, but hey, feels good. Wish I would have got this the other day, but here it is. I definitely recommend this little thing. So hopefully it lasts a certain amount of years, but we will see. Okay, cool.